Your flight is in 3 days. You look at your passport and it's expired. You panic. You check the official government website and it says 4 to 6 weeks for standard processing. You think your trip's ruined, but it might not be. There are exactly 3 insider methods, official, legitimate ways to get a new passport in as little as 24 hours. I'm Sheldon with US Passport Service Guide, and we spent 20 years mastering this system. In this video, I'm going to show you all 3 methods: the DIY way, the Hail Mary way, and the expert way. And stick around, because I'll show you the #1 gotcha that causes people to lose hundreds of dollars trying to fix this. The first method is the one the government publicizes, visiting a regional passport agency. This is the DIY expedited route, but there are major catches. First, limited access. There's only 26 agencies in the entire country, so depending on where you live, you might have to drive several hours or grab a last-minute flight just to get in the door to one of these. Second, you have to score an appointment. You can't simply walk in, and depending on the time of year, appointments can be nearly impossible to find, especially at the agency nearest you. So note, you can only book these slots if you have proof of travel within 14 days. If you don't have a flight booked, no appointment. Third, the hidden costs. Sure, the government fee is standard, but you have to account for lost wages, travel expenses, hotels, and meals on the road. Suddenly the cheap passport costs you $1,000. The process works, but it's highly stressful and highly unpredictable. So unless you live right next to an agency and have a full day or 2 free, you'll want to consider the third option coming up. Method number 2 is your congressperson. This is the insider tip most people don't know about. Your local US congressperson or senator has a constituent services department. In a true life or death emergency, and I mean a funeral, not a vacation, they can use their influence to help you secure an appointment. Think of this as a Hail Mary pass. It's not a guarantee, but in a real crisis, it may be your best option for getting the appointment you need. Now, method 3 is hiring a registered passport courier. This is the savvy expert way. Despite what you might read on forums, this is a 100% legitimate and State Department-authorized option. The government authorizes a small number of private companies to submit passport applications on your behalf. Think of this as like a concierge method. They get the appointments, they physically hand carry your documents to the agency, and you don't have to fly or road trip to Dallas or Seattle. This is the only way to get a passport in 24 to 48 hours without leaving your hometown. So for most people, this is the most practical and stress-free option. But this brings us to the #1 gotcha, choosing the wrong company. If you Google fast passport, you'll see dozens of websites promising miracles. Some are pure scammers, fake sites that just steal your money, your identity, or both. But others are technically legal, yet have terrible service records and miss deadlines constantly. This is the entire reason our website exists. We're an independent review site. We're not Expediters. For 20 years, we've vetted, tracked, and reviewed these services. So if you decide to use a courier, don't guess. Check the link in the description below, and I've put together a curated list of reputable registered couriers that we've vetted personally. Then use that list so you don't get bummed. So here's the bottom line. The DIY route looks cheap, but can actually be the most expensive option once you factor in travel. The Hail Mary route is strictly for emergencies, and the courier route is the reliable option for peace of mind. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It helps keeps this channel going. And if you can't find that passport at all, this is a totally different problem. Click this video right here for my step-by-step guide on exactly what forms you need when your passport is lost or stolen. Safe travels.